doing that, so I'm gonna record her doing that because I just like to. Oh yeah. I need my scissors. And she is gonna cut it. Be careful. I will. Guys, and I lost the food. But not now. I didn't. No, she lost it last night. Yeah, last night. You need me. Let's cut around the back. Whoa, that fly, guys. Oh wait, here, let me open it. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Guys, it's just a song. And my friends are whoa! Oh, here, I'm gonna take it. Oh, mine's not. Take the whole thing out. Oh! Silly. Whoa! That's up. So, guys, mine is really good. Mine is. Hey! You tricked me because I don't do that. Yes, you. Alright, then. Oh! I got scissors. Hello. Oh. Hello, guys. Oh! Whoa! 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 No! No! Fall on the ground. Oh, no. She really should have got this. Alright, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my silly crazy videos by me and follow the bomber on TikTok, which is and my friend. That is in the description of TikTok videos I have posted. So smash the like button and follow me. Bye. This is some soft slime and it is awesome. And I'm downloading TikTok since I'm 5. My tablet takes forever to download it. But guys, look at this pink slime. If you would, it stinks, but it feels awesome. Don't forget to go to Walmart, guys. Hurry up and get there. But sadly, and it is awesome. It makes the clicking noise. It kind of don't make clicking noise for the down. And yes, whoa, whoa, whoa! The bubble popped on me, guys. It didn't work. He should have said, "Oh, my friends are dead." That's just a song. My friends are not dead, and I know she already said that. But I knew that. I say I'm a party girl. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Hey, get out my bed. to the end. Okay. All my friends are dead. Mom could tell Daddy this, so you might. Bye, guys. Wait, what? Thanks for watching. Smash.